In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your AI memory into Claude AI ChatGPT. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so Claude can use your saved preferences and context to respond more personally and consistently. Think of AI memory as the background details you want the model to remember, like your preferred tone, the topics you work on, or recurring project details. Nothing confidential or private, just helpful context. First, go to claude.ai/new in your browser. This opens a fresh Claude chat. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the account where you want your memory to live so everything is stored in the right place. Give the page a second to load fully. You should see the standard chat interface with the message box at the bottom. Next, click on Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon near the top or side of the interface. If your window is narrow, the Settings button might be tucked behind a menu, so expand the window or look for a small gear or your account menu. Opening Settings takes you out of the chat view and into the area where you can manage your account and app behavior. Inside Settings, click on Capabilities. This section is where Claude groups advanced features that shape how it performs. Capabilities is the right place to control things that affect how Claude understands you, including memory tools. If you don't see Capabilities right away, scroll within Settings. It's often listed clearly in the sidebar or the main panel. Now click on Start Import. This begins the memory import flow. You'll see on-screen prompts that guide you through bringing your AI memory into Claude. Before proceeding, take a moment to review what you're importing and keep it high level. Good memory items include your role, recurring topics, preferred formats, deadlines you often reference, or tools you regularly use. Avoid adding anything sensitive, such as private identifiers or passwords. If the import takes a moment, let it finish. Network speed can affect how quickly this completes. If something looks off, you can cancel and restart the import from the same capabilities area. That's it. This process really is easy and simple. Once the import is done, return to your chat and try a quick prompt that benefits from your memory, like asking Claude to draft something in your preferred tone or to follow the formatting you like. You should notice more tailored responses right away. If you ever want to adjust or remove what's remembered, you can revisit Settings later to review what's active. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more personalized Claude experience.